Now we're going to set up the machine to run this box here. First of all, we have to adjust the in-feed conveyor. In-feed conveyor is adjustable by this handle right here. That adjusts the in-feed in and out by pulling the handle. You want to pull the product over until it hits this bar. This bar is your guide bar, so it doesn't run in, your package doesn't run into the cross seal or the side seal. So you want to run your product up, and there's a bar going right underneath here that supports the film. This is adjustable up and down with this handle for the plows. You want to come about 1/4 of an inch over that bar for your product. Make sure it has clearance, and that's all adjustable here. Okay, once you have that set up, now we'll go ahead and start out with the threading the film. Okay, threading the film, this machine uses a center folded film. We want to have the roll of the center folded side on this side of the machine. There's a film threading diagram right here on the side panel. So we'll take the film, set it up, center fold is on this side. With the film threading diagram, shows the film going in between these two between the two cradle rollers. So we'll pull our roll of film out. Next roll goes around this brush roller. This brush roller is for our pin purse. Our pin purse system puts little small holes into the bag in order to let air evacuation when it's going through the tunnel. I'm not going to put, I'll put one row of pins on here for now. After that, we go down to the two rubber rollers for the drive. This lever here will separate the two rollers to allow film to go through. So what we want to do is put the film through there, roll the rollers, pull the film out, and make sure you re-engage your roller. Then by looking at the film threading diagram, you go up to a top roller, pull the film, come back down around the dancer bar, and then go back up around the top roller. In the back here, there's a film separator. You want to split the film and put the film in between the film separator. Now we come down to the bottom roller. This roller is adjustable. Once you adjust your plows here, down at the bottom, you want the bottom edge of this roller to eyeball right in between the two plows there, the top and the bottom. You want it right about the center. So you loosen this, adjust them up. Once you have that roller set, I'll go ahead and try to get in position to thread the plows. Okay, now we're going to thread the film through the inverting plows. The inverting plows takes the film inside out and turns it into a box around this in-feed conveyor. Basically a box around here and here to encapsulate the product as it goes through. So what I like to do is take the film, pull it, and we don't have a lot of extra here, so we want to make sure we pull a whole bunch of film through. I pull about 4 feet on the other side of at the ends of the in-feed table. And you can see how much I have left, extra. Then I'll go ahead and run it through here. Separate, take the top layer, put the top layer around the top plow. Do the same thing on the bottom layer. Take it around the bottom plow and just kind of fish it through here. Now we have to make sure the bottom layer goes around this in-feed conveyor and comes up from the bottom on the other side. So we'll take this bottom layer while still holding the top and pull it through, and then make sure it comes and wraps around this in-feed conveyor here, and then there's your top there. We want to wrap it around the in-feed conveyor. Once we get to this point, we want to open the hood, pull your excess film through, and then we have it wrapped around the bottom and then around the top. Make sure all the wrinkles are out. And from there I'll take it at a different angle to show you how to thread in the side seal. Okay, I repositioned the camera. Now you can see this is your bottom layer that you'll pull under. It comes underneath the conveyor. and then your top layer that'll come over the plows. There's a bar right here to make sure that the film goes over this bar. This bar is adjustable in and out. For really low profile products, you really don't have to use it. Higher profile products, you want to keep the film up off the product. Once you pull it through, then you want to tuck right into your new track wheels right here, and then tuck right here on the side seal. Once we have it tucked into the side seal, you need to close the hood, press reset button. Now we have to jog some of the film through. We only want to jog about increments of about 12 inches. We want to do that about 5 or 6 times, enough to create enough scrap tail so we can wrap it around the scrap rewind. So we'll jog, make a manual seal. By this way you can reach around and pull the extra film out in the bag, throw it away. Now on your second one, the films are going to be coming out of the scrap right here, out of the side seal, out of the belts here. You want to make sure you don't go too far or too much, because the film will get wrapped up around these wheels very easily. So you just want to jog a little bit, grab your film, then jog a little more, make a manual seal, throw that away, jog some more, make a manual seal, jog some more, make a manual seal, jog some more, manual seal. Now we should have enough to go ahead and create our scrap tail and get that tied up. After you have the scrap all tied up, then we go ahead and make sure the lid is closed. Close the lid for the pin purse. Press your reset button to reset the system. Startup button is for your automatic. You want to run a couple test packages and make sure your package trail and your package advances is okay. And now you're ready to run production.